What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel, fam. If you are new, please, it would mean a lot. It would mean drop a like and subscribe on the bottom right hand of the screen, and click subscribe for your boy. We're trying to get to 1,000 real soon, before Christmas, before December, before November. It's possible, but today is the day I'm probably going to have to buy a new radio because my radio went out. And that's not good. So that's definitely gonna come to the channel very soon. But before I get too into everything and telling you everything, let's roll the intro. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Alright, so back to this. Today we're doing the convoy simulator. We're doing that at work today. Today's Friday, thank God. And since we gotta go to the convoy simulator, I mean, might as well take this girl off road on the street tires. Come on now, you already know how we do. First off-road experience. Let's see what she's got. Oh, yes. Nice. Got some turkeys over there. Nice fishing spot. Someone already fishing over there. Look at that. Alright, guys. I mean, you really can't beat a Duramax whistle in the morning, I promise you that. Yeah, but the point of this video is, this weekend we have to wheel light Saturday, and we'll be making a separate video on that. Today we're probably going to try and do the tie rod, because like I said, I'm not sure if I mentioned it or not, but the tie rod is extended like to its max potential. So we got to take it off real quick and then tighten up the sleeve real quick so we can send it back to the alignment shop to get it perfectly aligned. And then finally I'll have like 5 alignments in a month. And that's what I wanted to talk to y'all about as well. So you want to run bigger wheels and whatnot, it's not gonna, hopefully my mirrors are not chipping from the rocks in them. If you want to run big wheels, your alignment is not gonna be great at all. Like, it will, but you have to have stock tires to do it, or like maybe 12 wides on a bigger alignment rack. 12 wides might work, but they're not gonna be perfect. And you're definitely gonna need heavy duty front end suspension like I have, like the Kryptonite tie rods or whatever, like upgraded tie rods, upgraded control arms. You're just gonna want to get all of that. And if you want to go the whole 9 yards, which I probably will be doing later after I get the power steering pump and lift pump next, because you gotta do the power steering first, since everything freaking broke on me. It's whatever, it's okay, I'm fine, it's fine. But definitely gonna do the Death Grip front end from Kryptonite as well. That's where like the pitman arm and the idle arm as well, and it comes with like some kind of supporting brace. That is really worth it, I heard. It stiffens up your front end. And I'm also going to be doing the 2011 LML Hydro Boost for the brakes, so I don't have to push the brakes. I know if you've had a 01 to, or if you've had like a 2000 to 2007 Classic, the brakes are spongy, and it's not cool when you have to slam on the brakes and put your foot to the floor pretty much. So I'm gonna do that, and then probably just a regular stock replacement power steering pump, and that will be that. So I'm about to go pull up to the simulator now. I'll get with you guys after I get done with work today, and then we'll take off this tie rod. Peace. Woo! Finally out of that goodness. That was long. Had to park next to Big Whitey over here. Look at that thing. I think it was a 54s. Thing is freaking humongous. What is going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day still. Just got home and gotta do something real quick, but after that I'm gonna be taking this tie rod off for you guys. And if you don't know how to take a tie rod off for a truck, I'm gonna show you. But the good news is tomorrow we're gonna be starting on these bad boys right here. And I'm sure a lot of you can tell what that is. This is a freaking wheelette. Okay, if you don't know, now you know. Sorry, truck's a mess. I gotta clean it all up this weekend. Hopefully it doesn't rain Saturday. But it's beautiful Jacksonville, so you already know what it is. What's he doing? But yeah, truck is freaking filthy and it's gonna get clean. So, I had to go down dirt road today. As y'all saw, that wasn't cool. But yeah, I'm gonna get with you as soon as we get done. And we're gonna take this tie rod off and adjust this so we can get this good old alignment. And tomorrow we're gonna get the windshield tinted again because no one's perfect. And they said that they had a warranty, and there's a piece right there, one right there, and in the previous video I showed y'all there was a piece right there as well. So I'm trying to get it a little bit darker, to 20%, and they said they'd do it for free. See what they live up to that. So, okay, welcome back. My bad. So down here on the truck, this is the tie rod itself, and these are your tie rod end links. There's an outer one and an inner one, or excuse me, inner and outer. And then this is your tie rod sleeve in general. So you're going to need to loosen these two nuts right here, and that's going to allow you to adjust the sleeve freely. Like right now it's just going to not go anywhere. Once you loosen those up, you can like adjust it, but like I said, it's maxed out. So I'm going to have to loosen this one up for sure, and I'm going to have to hold this with some vice grips or some pliers, and then take this nut off while holding it, because if I don't, it's just going to spin the socket in there. And you don't want that. This is not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'm going to show you how to get that off, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so that wasn't loosening all the way, so I'm going to have to do that outside from under the truck. So what I did was take this nut off. Like I said, you're going to hold it with a pair of channel locks, or excuse me, adjustable wrench, and then you're going to hit it with a regular wrench, and you're going to hold this little piece right here with the adjustable, and then you're going to do that. And once you get it all the way off, just see, it comes all the way out. Hope to God I didn't lose that nut, because you SOL. Oh, there it is. Okay, great. Alright, so once that's all the way out, it's just going to come out just like that. And what I can do now is start untwisting all of this, right? Just like that. And then once I get this out, I'm just going to take the whole sleeve out, because then it'll be easier. And then once I get this part out, I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew that one from the inner. Whew, finally got it. Alright, so obviously I'm dying out here. Humid as hell in Jacksonville, North Carolina. But we got it, and as you can see, focus. That twists now, the whole sleeve twists. So now that you got that done, all I need to do is just take this adjustable off, get off of there. Come on. Alright, now that all I need to do is just extend this rod a little bit more. Right, I'm just going to extend it out a good couple turns. And that should be good. And I'm going to, lefty is tightening on this one. I'm probably going to do it to about right there, or wherever I can get it to go back in comfortably. And I'll get with you as soon as I put it back on together. You get the idea. So I'm holding this right here because it's the same thing as the outer sleeve. You're going to be twisting that if you're not holding that. So there's like a little place where you can hold it, and then you're going to twist this nut. So basically right now it should be good enough to I know I messed up my Kryptonite tie rods sleeves. I'll get everything powder coated later down the road. But anyways, should be able to just twist this. Now if you watch closely right here, should be able to just twist this and it sucks right in. So now I have a little bit of room to adjust for the alignment shop. So I have a little bit of threads right here and a little bit of threads right here. Now all I'm gonna do is press this in right here, put the nut back on, and then I'm gonna tighten these nuts up tight to the sleeve. That way it doesn't knock out of place while you're driving or anything like that. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. Okay, so I just got finished. I had to actually redo the right side, or the passenger side, because it was a little extended as well. You're good, you're good. It was a little extended as well. And what I had to do right here is extend that all the way just a little bit outside that one, and then this one's pretty snug on the inner side right here by the spindle. And then it was kind of like the opposite for this one. I don't know why the alignment shop did that, but it's a little bit extended right there, and then it's maxed out on the inside. So I got as best as I could, and I'm gonna send it back to them, see if they can mess with it, because right now it looks 10 times better than what it did on this side, at least, because that side right there was the straighter side, is what it looked like, and then this side was the worst side. So I'm gonna go take it for a little test drive, make sure everything works still. And a pointer for when you're doing all this is you're gonna put Loctite or some thread locker on these nuts right here for the sleeve, and then also for these nuts right here, because the last thing you want is your tie rod falling off when you're driving. But yeah, that does it for this video. That is exactly how you want to take a tie rod off. And the purpose for alignment is, the whole video is for alignment. And the reason you want a good alignment is obviously for your freaking tires to wear out. And second of all, they're expensive, and tires are expensive. You don't want to freaking always be replacing tires. And from when I got these videos, or these tires right here, they were already kind of like that. I mean, these are pretty decent tread. I would say about half tread for street tires. The lowest one's in the back, and I think these tires are pretty cheap to replace, but they're about 36. Yeah, I gotta clean the truck, I know. But I'm gonna take it for a test drive, make sure everything's right, and then I'm gonna got the free alignment for this. It's about 6,000 mile, 6-month warranty through NTB over here, and you got free alignment whenever you need one. So I'm gonna try and get them to adjust it perfectly this time. Hopefully they can get it right. This will be the 5th alignment in 2 months. And then tomorrow I got the wheel lights. I'm gonna try and do that somewhere over there, and then I'm gonna get the windshield tinted 20% this time. And then somewhere after the cruise, I'm going on a cruise October through the 23rd, somewhere through the 23rd. After that, I'm getting double 5 on the sides. And I think when I do that, I'm either going to get a radio, or I'm going to do the Rolls Royce roof. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Either a new radio install with some sound upgrades, or stars on the roof. Probably going to do stars on the roof because I know y'all seen it before. Roof's not in the best condition, or the headliner. And when I do that, it's actually going to clean the truck up a lot. And then I just need these side cushions for the driver and passenger side. And then to do something about this right here. This is why I love having a channel as well. I mean, y'all get to see how imperfect the truck is, but y'all get to be with me along the way to fixing the truck up. And I just like making videos. I like doing it. So if you enjoyed today's video, if you learned something about taking a tie rod off, if you want to see any other videos, drop a comment down below in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 for November or December, something like that. But as always, have a great day, and I'll see y'all later. Ham fam. Young wifey, I don't got no problems on 119. Yeah, she biting cause she love I'm piping. Sibling, cold drink, my 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 drink. I stay fresh, I ain't never outdated. Keep it real, all these niggas be hating. They gon' laugh when I tell them I made it. Money long, but they money be faded. Rondo, I'm back to the basics. Moving fast cause I don't got no patience. I'm a doctor, I'm fucking up patience. In her mouth, she deliver my baby. All these fluids gon' have us sedated. Smoking pressure, I get elevated. Moving